Hey everyone, and welcome to today's tutorial. In this video I will show you step by step how to sell NFTs on OpenSea.io. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Now the first thing you need to do is to connect your wallet to OpenSea. So to do this, you need to go over to OpenSea.io and you'll then see this page. Now you want to go over to this icon in the top right and click on Profile. You'll now be sent over to connect your wallet, where you can choose the wallet you would like to connect to OpenSea. Now the most popular wallets to connect are MetaMask, Coinbase wallet and Trust wallet, which you can connect using Wallet Connect. So in this video I'll connect my OpenSea to MetaMask. However, if you would like to learn how to connect Coinbase wallet or Trust wallet to OpenSea, make sure to scroll down and go over to my description or my comments, because there I'll leave a link to the videos I made on how to connect OpenSea to Coinbase wallet and Trust wallet. So if you want to connect MetaMask to OpenSea, you'll first need to click on MetaMask, but before you can do that, you need to go over to Google, and you'll then need to search for MetaMask extension. You can then press enter, click on metamask.io right here. Then you want to click on download now, select Chrome, and then just click on install MetaMask for Chrome. You'll then be sent over to the chrome.google.com web store, where all you need to do is to click on add to Chrome, but for me it says remove from Chrome because I already installed the extension. So once you've installed the MetaMask extension, you need to click on MetaMask, and you'll then see this notification. And all you need to do is to paste in your password and click on unlock. Once you've done that, you'll see that OpenSea and MetaMask have been connected. Now the second thing you need to do if you want to sell NFTs on OpenSea is to create your own NFT. I've already done this, but if you haven't, what you need to do is to go over to create in the top right and click on that. Then you want to sign, and you'll then see that you can create a new item. So you want to click on this thing right here and fill in any of the files that are supported by OpenSea with a max size of 100 megabytes. And once you've uploaded the file or the NFT, you can then go ahead and give your NFT a new name. So in this case it's gonna be example sell NFT. You could also choose to add an external link. By doing so, OpenSea will include a link to this URL on this item's detail page, so that users can click to learn more about it. You're welcome to link your own webpage with more details. So I don't actually have any details. So just for the example, I'll copy and paste the link of my channel right here. You can then also go ahead and give your... Now you can also add a description to your NFT. Just a test. If your NFT is for something like a game or anything like it, you might want to give your NFT properties, levels, stats, or even unlockable content. Now the supply is set on 1, however in the future there will be an option to increase your supply. And once you fill in everything you need to fill in, you can then go ahead and click on create. You'll then see this pop-up. And now there is a chance that you get another pop-up saying that you need to sign your NFT. This basically means that you need to connect your wallet once more to OpenSea. So once you've uploaded your NFT, you can then go ahead and click on sell. You can then select your sell method. This can be a set price, a highest bid, or a bundle. Once you have decided which sell method you would like to use, you can go ahead and give your NFT a price. To the right of that, over on the summary, you'll see the price worth in dollars. And once you've entered the price you're happy with, you can then click on post your listing. You'll then have to initialize your wallet. However, because OpenSea is really popular right now, the fees you'll have to pay to create and sell your own NFT on the Ethereum blockchain are really high. I found a way around this, so if you would like to learn how to create and sell your own NFTs for free, so without any fees at all, you can watch this video I've made on how to do that.
If you found this video helpful, let me know by leaving a like or subscribing to my channel for more tutorials about cryptocurrencies.